This is Sam and Dave's Gun Care out of San Antonio, Texas. We've developed a line of gun care and maintenance products designed to make your gun cleaning and maintenance simpler, quicker, and more effective. There are 5 products in the line, assuring that there's a kit to fit the needs of most gunners. We'll be bringing you a series of instructional videos detailing the breakdown and cleaning of every gun we can get our hands on. Remember, a gun is a puzzle. If you can take it apart, you can put it back together again. In this video, we're going to break down a CZ75 compact. CZs are awesome weapons. They're reliable, they're solid, and they hit what you point them at. In order to take this weapon down, first you need to make sure that it's cleared. Magazine's cleared. Bolt is cleared. There are 2 notches. Line those notches up, as you can see right here. Push out the takedown pin. Release the hammer. Slide forward. Remove the guide rod and the spring. Take out the barrel. And now you have a disassembled CZ75. In order to reassemble, take your slide, reinsert the barrel, guide rod and spring, replace the slide on the frame, realign the 2 notches, reinsert your takedown pin, check your weapon. Done.